Today we're replacing a broken rear wheel stud on a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. This job is easier than you think. Let's get started. Here are the tools you'll need. The floor jack, jack stands, a socket set, a breaker bar, a torque wrench, a hammer or mallet, a pry bar, a screwdriver set, and a plier set. Jack up the rear of the car and support it securely on jack stands. Never rely on the jack alone. Remove the lug nuts completely and take the wheel off. Take out the two 17mm caliper bracket bolts. They're behind the caliper to get to the bottom bolt. You gotta remove the upper control arm bolt. Take the unit off and hang it with a bungee cord, or put it on a stable surface so it doesn't stress the brake hose. Remove the two small rotor screws if your car still has them. Slide the rotor off. If it's stuck, tap the hat with a hammer while rotating it. You can add lubricant to it if you want. Use a hammer to knock the broken stud out the back. Grab a pry bar or screwdriver and pry the park and brake back. Now you have room to remove and replace the broken stud. I'm using the washer and nut from the lower arm as a spacer. Use the lug nut to tighten and pull the stud fully into place. Stop tightening once the stud head is fully seated against the hub. Reinstall the rotor. Reinstall the caliper bracket and torque the bolts between 75 to 90 foot-pounds. Use the floor jack and a hammer to help get the control arm back in place. Tighten the bolt to 80 foot-pounds. Might as well replace the brake pads too. Apply brake grease to any metal-on-metal contact. Reinstall the caliper and torque the slide bolts to 26 foot-pounds. Put the wheel back on, lower the car, and torque the lug nuts to 82 90 foot-pounds in a star pattern.